A factory 5 car, what year was this built in?
This year, 2017, end of year.
2017, and what is it?
It's a factory 5, but it's a Ford GT 1965, all custom built, custom interior. All this is not just a one-off; it's like a factory built car. It's all every little detail. So 100, a score of 100 from 0. This is a 100% build.
And what kind of engine?
It's got the L88.
And what color is it?
It's Ferrari gray.
It's the Ferrari gray, and factory 5 builds these. It's a custom
No,
build.
this wasn't even factory 5.
Oh,
This
somebody else built
They
it?
brought it to different shops to do every piece of it.
But it's a factory 5
Yeah,
car.
the body, yeah.
Chassis, engine, and wait for it. And there it is.